Morning, YouTube. It sure is a cold one out here today. It's 22 degrees. But, you know, when you don't have a shop, you don't have a garage, you gotta do things outside. So, we're doing things outside, and I'm sure a lot of you people that watch these videos do things outside. In the cold, maybe not in the rain unless you have to. But in the heat of the summer, cold of winter. So, I mean, it's just the no shop life, right? Well, anyway, this is going to be the video of step 2 of the troubleshooting on red. The last video, you know, we did the compression check, and the number 5 cylinder had only 125 psi on it. Everything else had 180. And then we checked over the rocker arms, and all the rocker arms looked like they were working right. So the bad thing was, is the number 5 plug looked like it was lean, and everything else looked like it was really overly rich. So there's something going on with cylinder 5. So today I got my borescope out, and this will be a little bit of a review on the borescope, and then a little bit on the troubleshooting. And unfortunately, the borescope that I got does not take video. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to include pictures after doing the borescope. Put the pictures in the video so y'all can see what we're looking at. But let's take a look at this borescope. This is one of those Amazon finds. It's a test-long borescope. It does have an articulating head on it. Let's get it opened up here. Open it up. It's got a nice big screen on it. It's got the articulating head. It's a nice little case. Seems like it's... I was kind of playing with it last night. It does have a good picture and stuff. But what we'll do is I'll pause the video and we'll get everything set up. I'll try and get the camera set up decent enough to where you can kind of see what I'm doing. So we can take a look at what's going on with cylinder 5. Alright, we'll be right back. Well, figured it out. I got some pictures of it, and I'll post them here. But it's the exhaust seat. Exhaust seat on number 5 looks horrible. It looks like it's got pitting and it's just missing stuff. So okay, so it's a head issue. I feel better now. Some trick flow aluminum heads will look really nice on this truck. So that's where we're at now. Number 5 cylinder, the exhaust seat is tore up. So I'll get the pictures and you'll see them. And y'all have a good day. Stay tuned for the pictures. Later.